Hi, today I would like to show you how I've made this Rubiks Cube stand. This Rubiks Cube stand was designed by Chopcyk and I really like it. You can find the files down in the description. By this video I would like to start a new series called You Design It, I Print It. So if you have any ideas and designs you would like me to print, just let me know in the comment section below. I am waiting for your designs. And here it is assembled. As you could see, I've broke off this part and glued it. Probably I've assembled it wrong, or it should be printed differently. Hey, it works perfectly. Now if you ever designed something in 3D and would like me to print it, just let me know in the comment section below.